Hello everybody, I am Chris Cox, owner and founder of Chris Cox Training and Consulting, and one of the resources that we go over in our farming class, Farming Your Way to Financial Freedom, is to get a list of people that are in a specific neighborhood, as well as to get a general number of houses. So multiple MLSs. In fact, as of the recording of this video, there are over 100 MLSs in the United States that currently use this software. So I figured I'd put together a short little video on how to go grab that data. So wherever you find your tax suite information in your listings, I'm not going to start there. I'm going to actually start inside the suite itself. So this is called MLS Tax Suite. It's powered by CRS Data. And when you get into the login page, you're going to click on prospecting. So that's where we're going to start, is under prospecting. And then on the left-hand side, you're going to see all the county. Well, your first thing you're going to do is search up to 4 counties. All the counties that are going to be available in your multiple listing service are going to be available in that drop down. So for this, I'm just going to search for one near me in Brunswick County, North Carolina. And then from there, you can search by a whole bunch of criteria. So if you have a specific neighborhood, I'm just going to type in one that I know of. And you'll see as I start typing in, going to show up all the things that say Compass Point. In this case, it's going to be owner's name. I don't want that because that's going to be your owner's associations. We have street address. I don't want that because it's more than just that. We want Compass Point, the subdivision in this one. So I'm going to click on that. And you'll see that pulls in 293 addresses. So from there, I know I have 293 addresses. If we're using this to use our ROI calculation tool that is included in the full course, then that would be the number of houses in that subdivision that you would use. If you're using this for other purposes, there are a lot of other things that you can do it here. If you're just doing it for generalized prospecting, you could look at all sorts of different things in there as far as owner occupied. Is the last sales date? Is it in a flood zone? Land use, acreage, year built. So all these filters are available in there. And then if you happen to be looking in an area where maybe it's multiple subdivisions put together that are all in kind of one place, there is also a map drawing tool that will work as well. So if I wanted to instead do this entire area and maybe include other houses in there, instead I can just draw on a map, and it's going to give me, I want to draw freehand, and I want to draw everything that is in here, but I don't want to go across the highway. Include the selection or exclude the selection. Go ahead and click include, and now we've got the entire subdivision. So now I know that I've got everybody in all the different little subdivisions that are inside of this one. So you can use that if you know the mapping of an area as opposed to just the the specific subdivision, or if you're farming multiple subdivisions as well. This also has many uses as far as exporting the data. So from here you can see you can export labels. You can export data into a comma separated values file, a CSV file, and then you have all of the information for your property owners there. And that's going to be the owners of record as well as of the date of whenever it was done, as well as their mailing address. So if you have out of town or out of state owners, you have that information as well. So hope you found this little bonus tip here useful, and wish you the best of luck. Thanks. Bye-bye.